Hello everyone and welcome to Acad Guild. In this video we'll see two topics. The first one is how to use this transpose function and second one is how to transpose using paste special. Now first of all, what is a transpose? In simple language, if I say converting your columns into rows is nothing but as transpose. On the screen, if you see, I have a data here which says employee name and employee number. These are two different columns. And if you see, the data is arranged in a vertical manner. If I want to convert this table or data into a horizontal manner, I can do it with the help of transpose function. So let us see how we do that. Now, I have to simply type here as transpose equal to transpose, and then if you see, there's only one parameter that is named as array. So it's very simple. You can simply select the option here as array. Okay, and once you close the bracket, once you press the enter, let's see what happens. Once you press the enter, you see you're getting us no value, okay, which is given as no value. Let us verify. Now what you have to do is you need to take care when you're using this transpose option. When the cursor is blinking, do not press enter key but press Ctrl Shift Enter key from a keyboard. Once you press Ctrl Shift Enter key, it is considering as an array formula. If you see, that's an array formula here, and the formula is been in the brackets, that's a curly braces. If you see, that's in the curly braces now. If I double click here, you cannot see the curly braces, but in the formula bar, okay, in the formula bar you can see the curly braces. So once again you just press Ctrl Shift Enter and then you'll be getting this data here. Now you're getting the same name as the column name. Simply you have to just drag down and then you can just drag down on the right hand side, but carefully observe what has happened. Okay, what has happened here, if I just move down, you're not getting the actual table here, you're getting the same table in the vertical manner. Okay, there's no changes here. If I just expand, the same table has been repeated. So what is the option here? Okay, so I'll just press delete key. Why I'm showing you this different methods? Because these are the common problems what people face in day-to-day life when they use this transpose function. So what is the method now? Count the number of columns, number of rows. If you see, I have total 6 rows here including the column heading. So same way you select from here 6 different like this. So 1 2 3 4 5 and I can select one more, that's 6. So once you select this 6 columns and then you just type as transpose, okay, and then you can scroll and select the array here like this. Okay, once you close the bracket, do not press enter but press Ctrl Shift Enter key from a keyboard. So once you press Ctrl Shift Enter, you see there's a curly braces which are surrounding the formula here, surrounding the transpose function. And now if you see, the table has been converted into horizontal manner. Okay, if you see that these are the row headings, these are the column headings. So row headings and this is the data what you have. Okay, so transpose function, you just remember this transpose function is used to convert vertical table into horizontal table here. Now this is one method. The other method is using transpose using paste special. Now I think this would be very easy for you to do. Simply select the data, click on this copy button, or you can just right click and select copy. Then you can just simply right click here, select the option paste special. You can click on this paste special button and then you can see there's a last checkbox which says as transpose. So click on this checkbox and then you can click on OK, right? So no need of any function, no formula required, no selection. So you can see entire data along with the formatting you're getting here. Okay, so this one I suggest you to go through this function, select the data, right click copy and then right click paste to special and then you can click on this transpose button and click on OK. So this is one method. I'll show you the second method, a shortcut method. Select the data, Control C. Okay, you can select this data like this, Control C, and then you can just press Control V from a keyboard. Once you press Control V, okay, you're getting the same database, okay, not into the horizontal manner but in the vertical manner. Carefully observe, there's a control button at the bottom, this control button. So what you do is from your keyboard just press control, just tap on the control key and you'll get this dialog box, a small floating dialog box. And now this is the option which you have to navigate, that's a transpose. So you can use your arrow keys you can use your arrow keys to navigate, or you can use your mouse, okay, or else the shortcut key is T. And then if you click on that, you'll be getting this transpose table. Okay, once again, Control C, and then you can just press Control V, tap your control key and press T from a keyboard. Okay, so this is the shortcut which you can remember. So I'll just type here as Control C, then press Control V, tap control key and then press T from a keyboard. So this is the method if you want to transpose using shortcuts. So you can use this 4 different keys to get the answer here. Okay, right. So I hope you have understood how to work on the transpose function and how to transpose a table using paste special. That's all for this video.